Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are interested in sneaker content, do me a favor, consider subscribing as we try to pump out sneaker content consistently here on the channel every day. Now, today's video, we are going to be checking out a very dope sneaker. If you haven't seen the most recent video, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll, take you directly to that. You can see what I'm talking about here, because today we are going to be checking out a full detailed review, the Air Jordan 5 DJ KHALED. Now, the packaging we're going to start off with, it's got this translucent, outer box. It says, "We the best, keep going." Got the Jumpman symbols all over it. Really nice detailed packaging. Then, as you can notice, you got the Jumpman. It's kind of got that Miami night vibes. I guess that's what they're going for with this shoe. But yeah, the official colorway is Crimson Bliss Leech Blue Sail. Pretty interesting. This is the DJ KHALED Air Jordan 5. Woo. These are dope. I had to pick them up. I cannot sit here and lie, man. When I first seen them, I didn't like them as much, but now that I got them in hand, these are so fire, man. But here you have it, guys. The Air Jordan 5 DJ KHALED. The peach colorway is pretty crazy, but it just goes with everything that's happening on this shoe. But without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna take a look at the outsoles of the sneaker. As you can see, on the bottom, it has "We are the best, Air Jordan." That milky white outsole. Really fire shoe, man. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm excited about this sneaker. I can't wait to do the on foot, try these things on. It's gonna be really dope. The colors work together, they really do. But anyway, flipping it around, taking a look at the toe box, as you can see, the leather on that toe, the leather around the entire shoe is actually really nice. Moving up, you got your flat peach or crimson laces with your standard Air Jordan 5 tongue. As we move, you got your 3M tongue. But now for the inside of the shoe, this is where it gets interesting. The inside of the shoe kind of looks like the Air Jordan 4 a ma manière. The quilted texture pattern in there. As for the insole, it's that blue with a black Nike Air, nothing too special. But on the back of the tongue now, as you can see, this one says "Keep going." So, keep going. Alright, guys, taking a look at the back heel of the shoe. As you can see, it has embroidered "We are the best" on the this is the left shoe, and on the right shoe you have the Nike Air. Classic. It just really works together, man. Shoe is phenomenal, dude. Also, I mentioned the laces before. It actually comes with 3 pairs of laces. You got blue, you got black, and then you got white. So you got 3 pairs. Me, personally, if you don't know about me, I usually keep the laces stocked. I don't even, I don't ever change them. Rarely do I change them. Also, you notice we got the lace lock too. It's got your Nike on it. It's got that crimson lace lock itself, but it's predominantly clear. You know what I mean? Checking out the side panels, as you can see, we got that icy. I don't know if it's kind of a yellow tint to it, or is it just clear to me because of the the color of the sneaker itself. But it is what it is, man. All around, really dope sneaker, really fresh. Let me know in the comment sections, what do you think of the shoe? Did you guys actually pick these up? I know I'm late with them, but I had to have them, and here they are. Take a closer look at them. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, guys, and we're out.